National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for western Elkhart County, Indiana, St. Joseph County, Indiana, northwestern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, Marshall County, Indiana, southwestern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, southeastern Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located along a line extending from near Trail Creek to near Kingsford Heights to 7 miles east of Wanata to North Judson, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 80 miles per hour and isolated tornadoes are possible with this line of thunderstorms hazard. Tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact:
The National
flying
Weather
debris will be
Service has
dangerous to
issued a
those
tornado
caught
warning
without
for the
shelter.
following Indiana
Mobile homes will
counties:
be
Elkhart,
damaged or destroyed.
Kosciuszko, Marshall,
Damage
and
to
St.
roofs,
Joseph.
windows,
The following
and vehicles
Michigan
will
counties:
occur.
Berrien and Cass.
Tree damage is
Effective
likely.
until tomorrow at
These dangerous
35
storms
minutes
will be
past
near
midnight. The
Plymouth,
National
North
Weather
Liberty,
Service in
and
northern
Culver
Indiana
around
has issued
11:50
a
p.m. Eastern Daylight
tornado
Time,
warning
South End,
for western
Niles,
Elkhart
Buchanan,
County,
and
in north
Lakeville
central
around
Indiana,
11:55
St.
p.m.
Joseph
Eastern
County,
Daylight
in
Time,
north central
Mishawaka,
Indiana,
Bremen,
northwestern
Georgetown,
Kosciuszko
Granger,
County, in
through
north
Boyer
central
Park,
Indiana,
Argus,
Marshall
and
County,
Roseland
in
around
north
midnight
central
Eastern
Indiana,
Daylight Time,
southwestern
Osceola,
Cass County,
Bourbon,
in
Wakarusa,
southwestern
and
Michigan,
Edwardsburg around
southeastern Berrien
12:05
County,
a.m.
in
Eastern Daylight
southwestern
Time,
Michigan,
Elkhart, Napanee,
until
and Simonton
12:30
Lake
a.m.
around
Eastern
12:10 a.m.
Daylight Time.
Eastern Daylight Time,
At
Goshen and Dunlap
11:34
around
p.m.
12:15
Eastern Daylight
a.m.
Time,
Eastern
severe
Daylight Time. Other
thunderstorms
locations
capable of
impacted by
producing
these
both
tornadic
tornadoes
storms
and
include
extensive
Etna Green,
straight line
Hoffman Lake,
damage
Atwood,
related to
Tea Garden, Adamsville, Bertrand, Chino Lakes, Crumpstown, Tyner, and Woodland. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile marker 67 and 96. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Source: radar indicated location. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught
A
without
severe thunderstorm.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Plymouth, North Liberty, and Culver around 11:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. South Bend, Niles, Buchanan, and Lakeville around 11:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mishawaka, Bremen, Georgetown, Granger, the Levoir Park, Argos, and Rope